Okay, here we are, week 3. And so let's get started. So we're going to go to Google CS and just go ahead and click on it and click on sign in. If it doesn't remember who you are, remember I am a student. And your sign in should be there, but if it's not, use the same sign in and log in, and if you've forgotten it, just contact me. And once you've signed in, remember it's sports, we are doing sports. And you're going to want to go to the next one, which is Net Sports. Now, if you haven't done 1 and 2, please complete them. And don't forget that each of them has an add-on, and you need to have one add-on for each one. So I'm going to go to Net Sports here. And as usual, start from the beginning. Remember to read the instructions right here. That's really important. Play the video. I'm not going to play the video right now, but just watch the video. Make sure there's nothing underneath right here that you have to fill in. Okay. And then again, read the instructions. It says instructions, make the athlete sprite move right to left. Okay, hold on. Let me just go back for a second here. Okay, so this one, I forgot about this. Okay, so this one in the very beginning, in the first screen, you watch the instructions. If I'd watched the video, it would have told me. You get to choose one of these. You don't choose all 3, you just choose one. Okay, and so it's going to pop open in Scratch. Now, remember, with Scratch, you need to sign in, and this is something you need to do every single time. Or if it remembers, that's good, but make sure you're signed in. So you can click on sign in. I notice that my sign in is still the same right here. Everything is great. So I'm going to click on sign in. Do this immediately, because if you don't, you might lose all the work that you did. Okay. So still waiting for it to sign in. All right. So hopefully now I'm signed in. Doesn't look like I'm signed in. I'm going to click on sign in again. Sign in. Okay, so I'm signed in right here. So you can see it right here. Here's my number. I know I'm signed in. Now, some of you want to go back and see what you've done, or you want to work on a project that you've worked on before. What you need to do is this little folder right here. And if you're not signed in, you're not going to see it. But this folder right here can show you all of your other projects. If you click on it, you'll see your other projects right here. Okay, some of these projects are from my other classes. But so make sure that you do that. Let me back here. So if you need to, you don't have to start a new project every single time. You just go to that folder, and that folder will take you to your old projects, and you can pick up where you left off. All right, now before you do anything, and I keep saying this, and people keep forgetting, but I'm just going to keep saying it. You need to click on Remix. And immediately after you click on Remix, please click on Share. Okay? Again, you're not going to lose anything if you do this, and they tell you to do it at the end, but I'm asking you to do it at the very beginning, because that way you know it's shared with me. You can see it right here. It says shared. So from now on, you don't have to worry about sharing with me. I've got it. Even if you're not finished with it, if you get stuck with something, I can actually open it up and I can look at what you've done, and then I can help you with it. Okay, so once you do what it tells you to do, right over here, it just says open the starter project, remix the project, and sign in. Okay, if you follow the directions, you're going to be fine. You go to the next one. Read the instructions again. The video is important. Watch the video, but the instructions say make the athlete sprite move right and left when right and left arrows are keys are pressed using the if block and the key pressed events. Well, it doesn't make any sense until you watch the video. Again, when you watch the video, let me just pause it right here. They're showing you all the way through the video. They're actually showing you how to do this. So there's no excuse. There's no, you can't say, I don't understand how this works, because they're actually giving you the answers. And again, you can pause the video and you can just look at this and then go over here and do what they show you to do, and then come back and then start playing the video again. So when you get to the end of the video, it actually shows you everything. But again, don't skip to the end, because if you skip to the end, you're not going to understand how this works. Okay, the idea is not to just get the answers right. The idea is to actually understand how Scratch works, so you can actually do things on your own or actually make it better. Okay, so once you've done that, you click on Next. And go to the next one. And again, read the instructions, make the sprite block move, move with the move block, and so forth and so on. And watch the video. And the video is only 2 minutes. Go to the next and follow the instructions. Bounce off athlete. So it's telling you how to make it bounce when it gets to the wall, and all the other things that go along with it. So just follow the instructions, watch the video. And then we'll go next again. Now we get to the add-ons. Remember, the add-ons, this is 36 seconds. It tells you exactly what all the add-ons are. In this case, there are 4 add-ons. So you can have some sort of reaction to the bounce, second player, keep score, or play the computer. Now, you only have to choose one of these, but you need to have one in order for you to get credit. Okay? So watch the video, choose the add-on. If I say, let's say I go to play the computer, it's going to give the instructions on how to do that. And again, you watch how to do it. They tell you exactly what to do. Okay, it shows you everything that you need to know. And once you're done with your add-on, you're going to click next and do a reflection. Submit the reflection. Watch the video. Don't write a shout out. It's okay. You don't. This whole thing right here is just Google trying to get you to use Google Plus. Forget that. Okay, go to next, and it reminds you to share, but you should have done that at the very beginning. Please remember, share your project from the very beginning. Click on next, and then you've wrapped up, and you can go up here to activities and badges, and go then to activity 4 if you want to get started. If you want to move ahead, you're perfectly in your rights to do that. I have no problem with you doing that. All right, so go forth, have fun, and let me know if there's anything that anything you need help with. Okay.